The vowel E makes the E sound. Hello, I am Coach Taylor. Today, we'll be learning about the short E sound. The vowel E makes the E sound. This sound is heard in many simple words and is very important for early reading. Examples of the short E sound: bed, red, tent, head, leg, set. Let's blend some of these words. B, and, bed, r, and, red, l, and, leg, s, and, sand, and, head. Let's make sentences with these words. The hen is on the bed. The hen is on the bed. I have a red pen. I have a red pen. 10 men sat on the bench. 10 men sat on the bench. Practice the short E sound to improve your reading and pronunciation. If this was helpful, do not forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.